you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, in this video we're gonna cover each and everything. It's gonna be one-stop video for Bestimmt article. Yes guys, if you are in A1, you have some confusion, or you are in A2 also and you still have the confusion about Bestimmt articles, then yes, this video is just for you. I hope you're gonna love this video. All the Bestimmt articles, small, tiny, big, each and everything we have put in this video. I hope you're gonna love this video. In case you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation, 10th, 12th exam preparation, what not. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
Bestimmt article, der die das. German Bestimmt article, that is der die das, are one of the biggest challenge for the German learners. Many students try to memorize every noun individually, which feels impossible. But the truth is, German articles follow pattern. If you learn these patterns, you can easily guess the correct article 70 to 80% of the time. Let's talk about feminine case, means the article is die. The most of the nouns ends with e. They all are feminine. For example, die Lampe, die Blume, die Tasche, die Straße, die Schule. An example sentence can be, die Lampe is sehr schnell. But remember, not every E word is feminine, but most of them are definitely feminine. Other feminine endings are also there, and these are almost always correct. The first one is ung. Noun is die Wohnung, then Height, die Gesundheit, Kite, die Möglichkeit, Schaft, die Freundschaft, ION, die Nation, T Umlaut T, die Universität. An example sentence is, die Universität ist sehr groß. Then let's talk about the group of nouns which are feminine. The first group is numbers. That means all numbers used as nouns are feminine. For example, die Null, die Eins, die Zwei, and so on. For example, die Eins ist eine gute Note. Then another group is motorcycles, ships, and airplanes. They are usually feminine. For example, die BMW, die Titanic, die Boeing. An example is, die Titanic war ein berühmtes Schiff. Then comes masculine gender. So, male people and professions. Most male people and professions are masculine. For example, der Mann, der Vater, der Bruder, der Lehrer, der Arzt, der Student. An example sentence is, der Lehrer erklärt die Grammatik, or der Arzt arbeitet im Krankenhaus. Other masculine endings are er, en, and el. For example, der Computer, der Garten, der Spiegel, der Lehrer, der Wagen. Example sentence is, der Computer ist neu. Group of days, months, and seasons are again masculine. For example, der Montag, der Dienstag, der Januar, der Sommer, der Winter. Example sentence is, der Sommer ist sehr heiß. Then many weather and direction words are also masculine. For example, der Regen, der Schnee, der Wind. Then directions are again masculine. Der Norden, der Süden, der Osten, der Westen. Most alcoholic drinks are masculine. For example, der Wein, der Whisky, der Vodka, der Rum. An example sentence is, der Wein schmeckt gut. Now remember, there is an exceptional case. That means beer is not masculine, it's neutral. It takes the article das. Car and car brands are again masculine. For example, der BMW, der Mercedes, der Audi. Example sentence is, their BMW is sehr schnell. Then mountains and rivers outside Germany. They are again masculine. For example, der Himalaya, der Everest, and so on. Then comes neutral. For neutral gender, nouns which end with chen, that is chen, and lion, that is lein, are neutral. For example, das Mädchen, das Häuschen, das Fräulein, das Brötchen. The example sentence is das Mädchen spielt im Garten. Other neutral endings are ment and um. For example, das Instrument, das Zentrum, das Museum, das Dokument. An example sentence is das Museum ist interessant. Words for young people and animals are usually neutral. For example, das Kind, das Baby, das Mädchen, das Kalb, das Lamm. An example sentence is das Kind spielt im Garten. Then infinitive verbs which are used as a noun. That means whenever a verb is used as a noun, it becomes neutral. For example, das Essen, das Lernen, das Rauchen, das Schwimmen. When color names are used as a noun, they also become neutral. For example, das Blau, das Rot, das Grün. Talking about countries. Most country names are neutral. For example, das Deutschland, das Indien, das Frankreich. An example sentence is Ich wohne in Deutschland. Now here comes the exception. There are some countries which takes die article. For example, die Schweiz, die Türkei, die USA.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you loved it. I hope you're gonna shower lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.